Okay, I'm trying to film my garden here. So here we have butter crunch lettuce, not just regular butter lettuce that I got. I got some cucumber here. I stuck it in a pot. My herb, let's see, cilantro. And this is, we got an herb bowl. This is oregano. I had some oregano in my raised bed, which I'm going to show you soon, that had it for like 8 years. It died. And sage, thyme. This is me regrowing green onions. Did you know you could do that? This looks pathetic. But you can actually get green onions from the store, stick them in some water, and they regrow shoots. So you can see where I actually cut these, and then they're regrowing shoots. Don't get rid of those. Don't get rid of any onions. More butter crunch here. We got the cucumber. These pots have, I saved some red pepper seeds and butternut squash. So we're going to see how that comes up. And then this is me in my backyard. I'm actually kind of relaxing today. So I'm going to walk over to my raised bed. Got a whole bunch of trees and sticks. And you can see, this is my raised bed. I need to cut some stuff around it. You can see other plants trying to get in here. Years ago when I had this bed made, there was none of this ivy, so we gotta, when it's okay, have some people come and cut, actually cut my ivy on this hill back a little more. So it was cut like all the way back up to this tree. These trees, and because ivy is ivy. So, and the people I have cut the grass just do the bare minimum, so they're not going to do any of this unless we have them do extra. And I'm really trying to be cautious about poisoning the ivy around this bed. You can see how close it is. So you can see this fence is falling down. So look at my collard greens. I'm so excited. Look at my spinach. I'm gonna have to harvest some of this soon. So we got kale. So I got squirrels. I got a squirrel issue, as many people have, because squirrels are squirrels. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna have to come out here and cut this little extra plants spinach. So we have some nice spinach here, which I'm going to be harvesting soon. Oh, look at these squirrels. Do you see these? This is what I'm dealing with, making all that noise. Kale. What am I doing? Got me some kale, which is looking a lot better than it did. I guess kale moves a little slower than other things. So we got, let me see, spinach, and more spinach, and more spinach. I'm so excited. I love growing food. I used to just grow herbs. I've been doing that since I've been growing food since I was like 5. I remember years ago, this is before, my sister doesn't remember this, we lived in DC in an apartment. I was really, really young, and I planted some lima beans in the apartment. We had a floor level apartment, so our balcony was right up on the dirt, right? And my lima beans were coming up. I was so excited. That's an exciting feeling when you actually can grow something you can eat. And I was just come home from school and look at it every day. And I'm so excited for this kale. Kale is my favorite. I love collard greens. I'm trying to figure out, I'm gonna have to ask my friend Tony how to ferment this, because this is coming along. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to go ahead and harvest this in the next couple of days. I'm gonna have that for dinner. These kale look a little, I don't know, they don't look like the ones in the store, which is okay. Look a little sparse. There's something going on here. But this, look at that. Grow your own food, y'all. It's not hard. I mean, you saw, I have this bed and I only have one bed. I'm kicking myself for not having that years ago, having a guy make like 3. But it's fine. And so we got kale, my 3 favorite greens. This is the reality. This is what I'm growing. Grow what you like. Kale, spinach, which I love. Love spinach. Love me some kale. Love me some collards. Not in that order. So, yeah, this is amazing. So you see, I got this other mess coming over in here. I'm gonna have to get out here later. Not today, because it's just too gorgeous to do any yard work. And when I was planting these lima beans, going back to that story, I'm just so excited about my garden. I came back one day from school and the people had cut the, I got a bunch of ants. Ants love this apparently. The people had cut my little lima bean plant. I was very, very upset. Very, very upset. I wonder if the ants, I don't know, I think that's good, I don't know. But man, it was awful. I was so sad. And then I didn't plant anything for a while. I mean, my mother had house plants, you know. But then when I got my second apartment, I returned to planting herbs. And I like basil. I have herbs, all the herbs I just showed you. I planted all of that. I got these sticks because why not? I have a bunch of trees. I might as well use what you got in your yard. I haven't been at Lowe's because I'm not trying to really go a whole bunch of places if I don't have to. We are quarantined. So that's my food right now. Hopefully my squash comes up. I'll have to do another video, you know, with the squash. It's just coming down. Yeah. So here's my little spot where I like to relax under the trees. Right under the trees. I mean, I'm glad I have trees and stuff. Nice trees and sunshine. Yeah. So yeah, that's my little raised bed, and then it's me earthing, I guess this is what it is. And then yeah, so there's nothing in these little pots right now. I mean, there's seeds there, so and we got a good rain last night. I guess I'll have to start harvesting some of this lettuce. I have been eating the cilantro because this is I love cilantro. I know I heard people either love it or hate it. Just got this cucumber. This lettuce has been coming along. I'm glad that we've had weird weather. This little lettuce, he's struggling. This one is coming along, but that one in the middle, I don't know. These two right here, but this little guy, he's struggling. All 4 of these. Whatever, and I have some fantastic dirt that I have all this stuff in. So I've got my herbs, 4 herbs. You get basil from my friend Tony. You can also share. And that's it. So, yeah, really excited. Growing food. Hopefully I can show you my peppers soon. I'm not growing tomatoes because it seems like everybody grows tomatoes. I know somebody did get tomatoes from. And then, yeah, I think I'm going to ferment. Learn how to ferment like collard greens and kale for the winter because I want to start cutting that stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a brief look at my garden. I'll try to come back once a month. Hopefully like the squirrels dug in here really. So I'm getting those screens to put over everything so that the sun can get to them, but the bugs have been really holding off here. I don't know what's happening. And the little squirrels can't get in here. So that's what this is about. Preserving the food. I have a fence around because we do have deer. That's the only reason why I have fence around that. Because we have deer, bunny rabbits, stuff like that. We'll be eating that. And I have this on my table, a little patio here, because they would be up here eating it. I'm surprised. I'm gonna have to move these lettuce though, because yeah, I'm gonna have to move those back. Deer will sit right up here and eat that like it's a buffet. I got that right on the edge of the table, so we're gonna move that back. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying this fantastic, glorious, beautiful day. Take care.